Hey everyone, Chad from SoundFlow here, and today I want to talk about editing existing decks in SoundFlow. So whether that's a deck that you get from the SoundFlow store or one of the decks that SoundFlow provides in the official Pro Tools package or Logic Pro package, making custom decks is a way to make SoundFlow even more custom to your workflow. So let's check this out in the Pro Tools package. We have the 5x3 decks here, and then the Pro Tools main deck is kind of the main starting place for most people with Pro Tools and SoundFlow. But you'll notice that I can't actually move any of these buttons around here, and if I try to delete a button here, I'm getting an alert that says that this deck is read-only. So to make changes to this deck, I have to make a copy of this deck in my own package. So to do this, I'm going to use this button here that says Make Editable Copy, and I can copy this to my default package. So I'll go ahead and do that. And now I have a version of this deck that I can make changes to. I can show it on a Stream Deck or an iPhone, and then any of the changes I make are going to be reflected on my device in real time. And I can go through and clear out this bottom row if I want. I can just select and delete these commands here. And that makes space for some of the commands that are more important to my workflow. So for instance, I'm gonna pin this deck and go to the track data utilities package, and we can add copy track data and paste inserts and paste sends to this deck. So then now I have a version of the Pro Tools main deck that has a lot of the power of the original deck with these subfolders built in, but then I also have my most important commands at my fingertips.